So friends, Xiaomi is set to launch its first compact flagship tablet under the Redmi brand. The Redmi K Pad will debut later this month in China alongside the Redmi K80 Ultra smartphone. Ahead of the official unveiling, the company has shared key specifications while early benchmarks and teardown videos have revealed additional details. And the Redmi K Pad features an 8.8-inch LCD panel with a 3008 x 1880 resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate, and it supports Dolby Vision, DC dimming and TÜV Rheinland certification for low blue light and flicker-free visuals. The screen reaches a peak brightness of 610 nits and offers a pixel density of 403 ppi. Redmi claims the display surpasses the iPad mini in several key matrices including clarity, brightness, touch sampling and weight hand usability. The device uses a sun-blasted metal unibody design that measures 6.46mm in thickness and weighs 336 grams. Redmi has optimized the 16:10 aspect ratio and dimensions for one-handed use and easy portability. It's also one of the first tablet LCDs to feature a dual DDIC driver chip setup, which is normally reserved for large high-resolution display to improve clarity and refresh performance. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.